Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. Start with the absolute basics, focusing on setting up your environment. Install Python and a good integrated development environment, or IDE, such as Visual Studio Code. This initial step is crucial for a smooth learning journey. Spend your first few days understanding core concepts like variables, data types, and simple arithmetic operations. Aim for 1 to 2 hours of dedicated study each day to build a strong foundation. Next, dive into control flow statements. These include if-else conditions, for loops, and while loops, which are essential for making your programs dynamic. Then, move on to functions, a powerful tool for breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces. Remember, consistent practice is key. Work through several small coding challenges daily to reinforce what you've learned and build your problem-solving skills. Now, let's explore Python's versatile data structures. You'll learn about lists for ordered collections, tuples for immutable sequences, dictionaries for key-value pairs, and sets for unique elements. After that, discover how to leverage Python's vast ecosystem by importing and using external modules. Try building a small project, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game, to integrate these concepts and see them in action. Finally, get an introduction to object-oriented programming, or OOP. Understand classes and objects, which are fundamental for building more complex and organized applications. Also, learn about file handling to interact with data stored in files. By the end of 30 days, you'll have a solid foundation. Consider exploring a specific area like web development with Flask or data analysis with Pandas to continue your Python journey.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.